problems that has plagued this Almera for some time is the fact that the seat back won't recline. So I decided today to pop off the adjuster wheel, pop off the trim, which literally just slides into these items here, so these trim fitting pieces, and there is a belt reminiscent of a brush belt on an old Hoover Junior, which links the two. So you have this larger cog here, and you have the smaller one there, and they're both linked by this cog. And what seems to have happened is this one has come off, and obviously that just moves. So what I need to do is around the other side, there's probably going to be another side to this. Yeah, you can see the trim moving there. So I need to hold it in place and then refit the cog there. So I'll just get that out of the way, and then we'll go back to fitting the rest. Fit it, you need to get them both connected like so. You can actually hold this in place by putting your finger behind there, and that will allow you to slide that into place, complete with the belt looped around both cogs. If you're having trouble getting it on, you can have it half off like so, and then whilst holding that, you can turn the adjuster, and that will should allow that, there you go, like so, and then that's in place. Then all we need to do is pop the trim back on, so the trim will actually go in, so over, you've got this piece that goes over the belt, like so, and then you have the actual plastic trim which will slot in, and that'll be retained on those clips that I pointed out earlier. So I'll just get that into place, as it will need two hands. Now something else I'll probably do is try and get a plastic tab to hot glue onto here, just to stop that sliding back, because you can reach in and pull it forward. That should keep the cog in place. The end result is a seat back that you can now adjust, which makes it an infinitely more comfortable place to be. So if you have been affected by this, don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.